under my feet. I am anointed, moving forward, no more defeat. I'm waging war on the enemy, taking back what was stolen from me. I am anointed and appointed. I'm a mighty one. Are you ready to take back your stuff? Here we go. I'm taking back my joy, back my peace, back my health, and my wealth. I'm taking everything that he stole from me, everything he took from my family. I'm taking back my dance, back my shout, for all the years they tried to shut my mouth. I am anointed and appointed. I'm a mighty warrior in God's army. Take it back. Say, I'm taking back my peace.